everyone, my name is Dr. Sonal Rajpal. Students, today I am going to explain the reactivity series of metals. And students, metals are those which loses electrons. And in this series we have arranged the metals in the order of the decreasing order of its reactivity. And metal reactivity is always in terms of the loss of electrons. And students, metals which loses electron readily is very reactive metals. Students, you need to remember one thing. There are so many metals are existing in the nature. So whenever I am talking about the reactivity of metals, you always need to think the metals which loses electron readily is a reactive metal. स्टूडेंट्स, हमें जब भी मेटल्स के बारे में सोचना है कि कौन सा रिएक्टिव मेटल्स है, आपको ये सोचना है कि कौन कितना जल्दी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लूज करता है. ये मत सोचो कि कौन कितना ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लूज करता है. सो यू डोंट हैव टू गो बाय द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. मीन्स मेटल विच लूजेज मोर नंबर ऑफ electrons is reactive. Instead, you need to think metal which loses electrons readily even if the number of the electron is less, that is a reactive metals. So in reactivity series of metals, potassium is the highly reactive metal, and then below potassium is sodium, then calcium, then magnesium, then aluminium. Below aluminium is a zinc, and then iron, and then tin, and then lead, and below lead is a hydrogen. Now you are curious to know hydrogen is a non-metal. Why it is there in this reactivity series? Because hydrogen is a unique element. It loses electrons like metal and it becomes H positive ions. So below hydrogen there is a copper metal, below copper there is a mercury, and below mercury there is a silver, and then gold, and then platinum. So students, in conclusion, I want to say, although hydrogen is a non-metal, but it is very unique. Like metal, it loses electrons. So that's why we have placed this hydrogen in the reactivity series of metals. And students, and the metals which are above hydrogen in the reactivity series, they are more reactive than hydrogen in terms of loss of electrons. And the metals which are placed below the hydrogen in the reactivity series of metals like copper, mercury, silver, gold, they are less reactive than hydrogen because their tendency to lose electron is less as compared to hydrogen. Thank you students. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more science videos and share your comments also. Science classes @ Dr. Sonal Rajpal 123.